In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your Google account to Notion and how to add Drive files to your pages and databases so everything stays organized and easy to find. Start by signing into Notion on the workspace where you want the integration. Once you're in, open Settings. You'll find this near the top of the sidebar. It's where all your workspace preferences live. Inside Settings, look for the Notion AI section. This is where Notion manages its AI features and connected services, including Google Drive. In the Notion AI area, click Google Drive. You'll see an option to connect your account. Follow the prompts to sign into your Google account, review the permissions, and approve access. Granting access lets Notion search, reference, and attach your Drive files within your workspace. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one that holds the files you want to use. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, keep your device handy to complete the verification. A quick heads up, this integration is available on business workspaces. If you're on a different plan, you may see an upgrade prompt. If that happens, check your workspace plan or ask your admin to enable the feature. Once the connection is set, you can work with Drive files right inside databases. Open a database page where you track projects, tasks, or documents. Click the plus icon at the far right of your properties to add a new column. Choose Google Drive file as the property type. This creates a dedicated field where each database entry can link directly to a Drive file. It's great for associating specs, briefs, or presentations with individual records. You can rename the property to match your workflow, and Notion will prompt you to pick or paste a Drive file when you edit a row. You can also insert Drive items anywhere in a regular page using a quick command. Type / then Google. From the menu that appears, select Google Drive. This opens a picker where you can search or paste a link to a file or folder. Notion will insert a clean, clickable reference. If you weren't connected yet, this action will prompt you to connect your account, and then you'll be right back to choosing a file. Remember that Google sharing settings still apply, so teammates will need access in Drive to open the file. That's it. You've connected Google Drive to Notion, added a Drive property to a database, and learned the / command for quick inserts. Keep your files close to your notes and projects, and your workflow will feel much smoother.